He's cold beer. That was fun as hell.
I got a beer up my ass, too. It's hot.
Dude, I lost my fucking cigarette right there. That sucks.
See that comb we hit that earlier?
Losing cigarettes fucking sucks.
Yeah, don't take that one out.
Hey, you know what? We should break into the fucking. We should break into here.
No, we should.
Dude, we're the cool security guard though.
Remember George?
There's security.
George broke in there. That's the last time we went to jail.
George broke into everything.
George stole everything.
George's a fucking crackhead.
Go ahead.
I've known George for a long time too.
Oh shit!
When I stopped talking,
Get it going. Get it going. Get
Ryan,
one.
be careful. You love fucking do your driveway. Or just some donuts in the field, so that's what I do.
We'll talk. The security guy's cool as hell, dude.
He's cool as fuck.
I gotta get this guy in tape.
What up, player? Going off-roading.
like snap asleep.
How the fuck did that job? You get paid just to sit down and do shit.
Start doing donuts. I do it all the time. I did it with 2 wheels.
Tim! Chris is a pimp.
Where's Tim?
Chris is a pimp. Alright.
Cut the wheel the other way. There you go. The other way.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Keep it on the headlights, man.
I don't know. We're getting all of this. It's showing up real good. Oh, shit. This is showing up real good. Okay, here's the good shit. Oh, fuck.
This is where you grab the fucking seat. And start jumping and shit. You fucking stick a cigarette in my.
As long as I.
Off-road when you're drunk is fun as hell.
There's a tree.
Yeah, you know. Big tree.
I'm on that little setback.
Big tree. Oh.
Jim would be crying right now. Jim's a fucking idiot. He cries about pissing in the river.
I'm glad we got the camcorder in the front this time.
He's gonna beat my ass if he hits this too.
Maybe we'll get more than a black screen.
Oh, I can guarantee you. I'm getting all of this. Let's shut up real good. Let's shut up real good.
White beer got drained and thrown out the window.
Fuck. Oh, shit. Oh,
man, those guys are missing out on some shit. They're like, oh, we gotta go home. We gotta sleep.
they're pussy. Oh, shit.
Fuck sleeping.
Chris,
This is so much fun.
I know. I love Chris. Alright. I am Chris's bitch. Alright. I will say this.
I do this in my
Oh, shit. This Chris
I bet you my New Yorker can make it through this shit.
Fuck. In New York, you want to be open. Here's the crate.
Could not make it through this shit.
My fucking car can fucking make it to this shit. My car's a fucking
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Chris is a pimp. Oh, shit.
new trail.
Oh, my God. If a cop sees this, we're fucked.
Cop, what are you talking about?
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, no.
That's a tree.
That's the creek, I think. No, don't look at the river.
Is that the
That's
creek?
a big ass jump. Oh shit, we're stuck.
No, we're not. It's just getting in reverse.
I know, I couldn't do this shit in the park earlier.
Yeah? Oh shit. Oh. Oh, that's a tree.
That was a
Oh, that's fucking
That was a big tree.
I'm getting all of this.
tree.
Oh, there's another tree.
All you hear is that fucking laughs. That's all you're hearing. You're not even hearing fucking talking. Last time you black screen and fucking talking.
As we're stuck.
This is good shit right here.
I'm gonna hit the tree.
There's an entrance.
Alright, we're gonna have to put in That's reverse.
If your car runs out of gas right here,
Oops.
Oh, my beer.
Steve, you gotta keep that under control.
wow, this is good. This is good.
Dude, there's trees in the way.
Where the fuck are we at, guys?
Forever. Yeah, I guess.
If you want the gas, like right here, the car's stuck.
How much gas you got?
Go watch this thing
I heard something hit the bottom of my feet.
That's okay.
It felt so
See how BB?
Yeah, that's what I call him.
That means friend.
It means honey in Arabic.
It's friend.
Habibi does?
Hey, I know
Well,
where
either
we're
way,
Like a
it's a
beer.
good
It's all good.
It's all
okay.
good.
It's all good.
Oh shit. There's the bridge. Oh fuck. Here's Harwood. Here's a donut.
Here's the wheel the other way.
There's the fence.
Other way.
There's the playground. There's a big dirt hill. Oh no. Oh shit, don't try. Oh fuck. There's a shirt. There's a dumpster. Oh,
Wheel drive.
shit.
Way to go.
He's like, I'm so going back in there.
Oh fuck. Oh shit. Oh fuck. This is real. Oh,
It's a big deal. What do you gotta
where's your
see?
windshield wipers at?
Other way, headed. Other way.
What are you talking about the way? I see grass.
I don't see anything.
I see grass. Grass. What?
I gotta come back here tomorrow and see all this shit. Oh fuck. We're the major donut right now.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, I'm dizzy.
Fucking affair. What do you
I
got?
don't know if I'm dizzy or just a beer thought. This is his hand.
Windshield wipers.
Oh my god, no.
Other way. Dude.
You know we gotta go right here, Steve. Ooh, we don't gotta go right here, Steve.
Oh fuck.
It's a new one. We're gonna make you throw.
Oh fuck. Oh, I got cut up. Oh shit.
That's why you gotta get a piece of
shit.
car. You don't give a shit. Fucking hanging up.
Oh fuck. What was that? What was that?
Something.
What we hit? We hit something. What we hit? Crystal pin.
I swear to God. I've been Steve's head like thousands of times. Already.
Oh,
There goes one more.
oh, oh, the good one.
That one's pro. You got the leg up on that one.
I hope I come driving through. Sidewalk. Skirt and 42s. We're on the sidewalk right now. We're lost. We got lost.
We can't find our house.
Hit one of those. Oh my goodness, that big jump up here. We gotta fucking get some air on that.
Yeah.
Hit a cone too.
Don't knock your head against me.
Florida.
Alright, boys. We're gonna hit the fucking big ass jump. I can see a little bit through here. There's a cone. There goes the cone.
Here's my mirror.
There goes your mirror. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hell yeah, I've been there since time. Fuck this.
Oh shit, where are we going now? There's the slide. There's the slide.
Can't even see out the window.
Oh fuck. That's all I pity left.
Your head is just hanging.
There goes this guy. These guys, his fucking bosses are gonna be like, what the hell are we paying you for? half these cones are fucking busted out.
Get some major air here. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh.
You got some pro air on that one.
They did. Oh fuck, long job. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a house. Oh shit. Oh.
Driving up fucking lawn.
black. It's all pitch black. Oh, I need to.